Hey friends, today we are doing pages 173 and 175, working with our contractions again. So we are going to be dividing them into different categories. So the first one says contractions combining a base word and not. So we're going to be looking for the ones that are N apostrophe T for this section. Okay, write these clues in because that's really going to help you. Okay, also down here, this one is going to be a challenge word. Ding, 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 right? All right, let's look at our next section. Okay, on these, we're going to be looking for apostrophe S. Okay, and we have two that we get to cross out there because there are not enough words to fill that section. All right, let's go down to our next section. We are looking for apostrophe R-E. So apostrophe R-E. And we are going to have one challenge word there. So let's put that in, and then we are going to cross out one. Put your challenge right here. Okay, we don't write on this top line where I wrote the R-E. So you got two in that section. And then the next one, we are using the had or would, which would be apostrophe D. Okay, and we also get to cross off one there. And no review or challenge. Okay, so it does look like when you're doing the N apostrophe T, that they are not doing the review words. So you can go ahead and cross those out. All right, and then you will be using, looks like, both challenge words, okay? And then the basic words, which are these up at the top. Perfect. So let's find one together, and then I'll probably let you guys do this on your own because you're so awesome and you can do it. So let's look for one that is N apostrophe T. So I start going down my list. I'd, he's, oh, here we go. Haven't. So then I would go over and I would write that as neatly as I can. You can write neater than Mrs. Hagen can with her fancy computer pencil. Write that on the line. Okay? So sort your words. Add the challenge words. We already did this part down here, so you can cross it off. We already know where we need to put challenge words. All right? So meet me on the next page when you are ready. All right, it's just like a contraction week here, isn't it? So same thing as I think we did a couple of days ago, where we are finding the correct word to go in the blank. So you need to read the sentence and find the word that makes sense. I like to read the words in the box together just so that you make sure that you know them all. They're not all contractions either. You'll notice that. The first one is road. The second one is you'd like to be there. The next one is aren't, they've, I'd, hasn't, we've, road. Ooh, different kind of road. Notice this is the road that you drive on. This is the road like I rode a bike. Remember? Homonyms. And the last one is didn't. Homonyms, if you remember, are words that are spelled differently. Okay? But sound the same. All right, let's do one together. If you blank, leave the door open. Who did? If you blank, if you rode, you'd, aren't, no, they've, I'd, hasn't, we've, rode, didn't. If you didn't leave the door open, who did? I think it's didn't. Okay, and I write that neatly in there. Just a reminder too, guys, not about this, but to always remember to continue doing your specialist homework every night. Otherwise, Mrs. Hagen will eventually get emails that they are emailing your parents about that. So keep up on the specialist homework. All right, thanks, guys.